What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have another unboxing for you. This one's from Emotiva. This is a pair of 12-inch subwoofers known as the Airmotiv SE12s, and this is one of their latest pairs of subwoofers as far as I know, and I'm really excited about this one because I have not heard a pair of Emotiva subwoofers in my home. I've heard their T2 speakers, and I really like those. Also, one of their amplifiers, the XP89, I enjoy that one, so I'm looking forward to listening to these. Now, in this video, I'm going to unbox them, give you an overview, and my first impressions, so let's get to it. Before we get too far in this video, if you want to purchase the SE12 or anything else from Emotiva, use those links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help support the channel. Also, if you enjoy product unboxings, comparisons, reviews, and basically all things home theater, click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted anytime we upload new content. So here we are with the SE12, and as you can see, it's a fairly large box. It's basically a cube, and that is 21 inches in all dimensions, and it weighs just over 47 pounds. Now, I didn't have any issues carrying this up the stairs by myself. I was able to get my arms around it and lift it, but if you have issues carrying something that's nearly 50 pounds, definitely have someone do it for you. Now, as you can see on the front, it says Airmotiv SE12 with the Emotiva logo. It doesn't say subwoofer anywhere on the box, but someone could quickly Google what this is and find out and take it from you if it's left on your front porch. So you want to make sure that you are home to get this off your front porch. But Emotiva was nice enough to send me 2 of these, so I will be able to try the dual configuration and tell you about that in the full review, and that'll be coming in a few weeks after you watch this video. But anyways, I'm excited. I want to get this open, and I'm going to open up this box, tell you what's inside, and then quickly open up that one and give you my first impressions. So let's go ahead and let's get to that. A box within a box, I like that. The instruction manual is for both the SE8 and SE12. Power cable. Some nice thick foam. The SE12 features a 12-inch downwind firing woofer and a 12-inch front firing passive radiator. It has a Class D amplifier that outputs 200 watts RMS and 400 watts of peak power. It has a frequency response from 28 Hz to 200 Hz. It is 17 inches tall with the feet and 15 3/4 of an inch wide and 15 3/4 of an inch deep. It weighs 46 pounds and costs $399 here in the US. So here we are with the SE12s, and as you can see, it has a very similar design to the other Airmotiv speakers, including the T2 Plus, which I reviewed a few months ago, and also the B1 Plus, that same black finish and the same angular design. So if you have any of the other Airmotiv speakers, you're probably going to find this looks very, very similar and matches very, very well. Now I've got this one turned on its side so you can see the bottom, because this is a downward firing 12-inch driver. That's what this is right here. This has the voice coil and all the electronics attached to it. But as you can see, that it has 4 feet, one on each corner, and that allows it to sit up off the floor so you can get that bass resonating out into your room. The feet themselves have this rubber coating on them, so if you have hardwood floors, it shouldn't slide, and even on carpet, it's got pretty good grip. I can give this a push and it actually tips over instead of slides, so that is a definite plus. But on this one, you can see I've got the grill on because this is the front of the speaker, and again, you've got those angles right there, so it looks just like the other Airmotiv speakers. But to pull it off, you just give it a little tug, just like that, and it's held on with the pin and cup design that we see there, and this is a nice sturdy frame. But once it's off, you can see the passive radiator right here. Now what that means, if you aren't aware, is it doesn't have a voice coil or any electronics attached to it. It's just basically the woofer cone, and how this works is your bottom driver is moving air inside the cabinet, and that air is actually pushing this driver in and out. So you've got a passive driver as well as an active driver with this setup. And I'm really looking forward to hearing how this sounds, because again, like I said, I haven't had a chance to hear any Emotiva subwoofers, and most subwoofers don't go with a passive radiator design, at least not some that I've reviewed. So I'm looking forward to hearing how it sounds. So I will be doing a full review on the SE12. Expect to see that in a few weeks. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to break these in and just enjoy them for a little while. But if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I will try to address them in the full review. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. We'll talk to you next time.